Thank you. But I'll come for my video.
That is there. Mine is there.
I'm going to capture this. And so you must go out then.
Yeah, like.
Excuse me.
I think it's important to know that we've had a lot of these conspiracy theories in the past. It surrounded all the vaccinations that we've done. The important thing to note is that for this particular vaccine, our Ghanaian scientists themselves have tested it. They've done all the tests, the rigorous tests that they need to do. And I've come out to talk about the efficacy. There's efficacy, that would prevent you from getting it. Then you get to the point where it also prevents, in terms of an increased percentage in terms of not getting severely sick. But it's been, the data supports the fact that if you take the vaccine, almost 100%, you would not die out of it. So if for nothing at all, we need to take advantage of the fact that it protects you getting infected. I think it's around 60-something%, and around 80-something% talks about the fact that you don't get severely sick, and also the mortality. I have seen too much deaths between January to date coming out of COVID. And I think that if for nothing at all, we owe it to ourselves to believe in our scientists and also realize the fact that we are not the first taking this vaccine. And all the myths that have been, propagated around, that nobody has been able to establish it. And so I would recommend to everybody that I have taken the shot. We should all take the shot. The more we all protect ourselves, the more we all would be protected. We cannot continue to live under the scourge of corona. We need to get to a point where at least we are able to open society. The only sure way we know currently is through this vaccination. And so I urge everybody else to come and also go and take it.
It's a normal thing, and I have done that because I respect your health. So you have to respect mine and take yours. You understand? We all have to be safe because we must stay alive. It's not, let's do away with the myths and misconceptions. There is nothing bad about it. We are doing this to keep you alive and keep the next person alive. So let's all come together and do it. I took my shot and I'm okay. I'm very fine.